guys, thank you for watching every time. So I'm gonna make pasta today as well, and so I'm gonna make some salmon and spinach and cream pasta. So just using some salt, as you can see, the salmon and spinach and salt and pepper and milk and some cheese on that, and the pasta, spaghetti fridge. So I can use fridge this time, but you can use any kind of pasta as you like, and some cheese mozzarella. So the pasta is already the boiled more than 3 minutes, and I just put in some salt on that, and so it's a little bit it's already boiled in it. So I just always put in the side, and I can make some just leave it as it is, and like that. Okay, oops. So maybe I can put it on the side anytime. And so I'm gonna put some olive oil in it, and so where's my olive oil? I can see that. Alright, so I can do that. Okay, and cut some salmon up first, like that. Okay, oops. And cut some salmon as you like, you can cut whatever you want, maybe. Okay, American pattern, everything. Okay, like that. Any pasta, any, it's kind of like salmon as it is. And I'm gonna cut some onion, a lot of it. Okay, maybe this is fine, everything. And spinach, it's already, I don't use this fork, so you can cut and cut. Alright, that's it. It's quite easy. So you can take some any onion. This is kind of like red onion, but you can only like normally onion. Okay, so I'm gonna just put in some salt and pepper. Okay, just put it in. Okay, and put in some more. Okay. And just gonna add some spinach, like that. Maybe all of it. There we go. Up. Just put in all, like that. Okay. Right, and just check some pasta, should be al dente, gonna be fine. Okay, just put on some tomato soup, 1, maybe 2, a little bit. Okay, just okay, here we go. I want to put all pasta. Alright, and I'm going to add some salt and pepper more. Salt and pepper as you like, and I'm going to just add some milk and with some cheese on it. It's mozzarella, so, but you can add some like some pizza cheese or something like that, you know, so as you like. And just I'm gonna add some more, a little bit, some flour on it. So it makes a little bit flour, okay, like that. And just you can stop from here on it and make that a little bit. Just you can adjust some fire, you know, just one hit on it. I'm gonna a little bit, you know, put on some consomme, you know, some consomme. It's good for me, yeah. Okay. Almost done, you know. And just the cheese is going to be mild, so it's going to be more creamy. And it just I gotta put some flour on it, so it's just gonna be more creamy, you know. Okay. Okay, almost done. Yes, almost done. So you can check some how, you know, flavor it is. Some check that. That's almost done. If you need more salt and pepper, you can just add it. Alright? And just stop and hit it. And finally, just as like put in some dish as you like. No? It's kind of like 5 minutes less than, you know, less than 10 minutes cooking, and that was looks yummy and must be delicious. How about that? And just add some, you know, put in some cheese or parmesan or any kind of cheese on it. That's it. Buon appetito. Thanks for watching every time. Have a good day.